Gold here has reached a W pattern, and it has also closed a gap here. So we are expecting that market may actually fall down to give us a good trade on smaller time frame. On smaller time frame, we have this sort of reward to risk behavior, and I already have a trade running at the moment. This is looking good. The market has started to reverse. Let's see how it plays out. We have this target as target number 1, and then we have this target as number 2. So what we can see clearly is this is approximately near about 2 to 1, and this is approximately 3.6 to 1. So let's see how it plays out. Okay, now this is near about 1 to 1 reward to risk ratio. So let's see how it plays. It's going very well. This was shared in the Discord room as well here. So in the Discord room, I mentioned about this W pattern, and there was a gap here, which I posted about yesterday here. On bottom research, this was the anti-confirmation. It has reached its own target, but we are looking for a bigger target. But this was the anti-confirmation on 2 minutes time frame. And then if I go to 3 minutes time frame, this was the anti-confirmation here. And if I go to 1 minute time frame, this was the anti-confirmation. See, resistance has been formed, and this was the anti-confirmation here. This is the second anti-confirmation. So it will have more noise, obviously, right now if you're going to smaller time frames. So on 5 minutes, it has reached its target. 6 minutes is still going on, right? And there is a confirmation. Everything is red, and there we have a sell confirmation. So let's see how it plays out. Okay, now we have this possibility of having an M pattern, and if that happens, if the market stops me out here, I'm not at the break even. If the market stops me out, then I will enter again, or if it doesn't stop me out and if I get another confirmation, I'll add to my position. Market is now getting very close to hitting my TP, which is here. This is TP1, this is TP2, and let's see how it actually goes here, or does it go all the way to upside and then falls back down. Let's see. It seems like it is finding hard to actually reach that level. So what I'm gonna do is actually secure the profit a little bit early. So I'm gonna take half of the profit, or maybe just wait. If it gives me another bullish movement, then I will secure the profit and move my stop loss to break even. It's moving nicely towards the TP, so it's okay. Right, I'm gonna secure the profit now. So and move my stop loss to break even. So that's what it is. Expected, the market has jumped before hitting the TP. So what I've done is, if the market actually stops me out at the break even, and if I get another confirmation, I will enter again, and in that case we will have that M pattern we were talking about. So something like this. So that can still play out, but we'll probably have to wait a little bit longer. Here's my trade, which is at the break even. So if it breaks it stops me out, then I will look for another entry if it gives me another opportunity, because this TP has not been hit. So it's quite possible that market will probably come back down, hit this one and the next one as well. This is how 1 hour scenario is looking like. 1 hour time frame has shown that there's a huge wick at the top, and now it has come to this structure level here, right? So this is struggling with that, and that is why the market was not reaching my TP, because this was acting as this was resistance, this was acting as support, it's still acting as support, and that is why the market is still struggling. The market has gone up, and now it is still struggling at exactly the same level. So let's see how it plays out. It is consolidating heavily, and I think if that's happening because we have a news planned around 3 p.m. So they did this entire move for the preparation of the newsletter today. So I think until then it will just try to consolidate here and there. So what I'm thinking is actually okay, I've already secured the profit, and it has reached near about 2 to 1. It's little less than 2 to 1. So I'm okay. I'm gonna close this trade and I should just be fine. And I'm out of this trade. What has market done? Market has just touched the TP number 1, and it can still form that M pattern. I closed the trade a little bit early because I'm aware of the news, and I kind of lost the patience because I thought market was going to consolidate. Anyway, it was a good day, and it has been a very good pre-planned trade, so that's what matters. And if the market gives me another opportunity in the New York time zone or whatever, I will jump into that. See, the market is now falling down really nicely, and if I show you what envisage, this is about to reach a 6-minute target. I'm currently on 6-minute time frame here. Market is about to reach 6-minute target. This one is 10 minutes target, right? So progressively we keep on taking the trades. So this is now 10 minutes target. As you can see, 10-minute sell signal, and that is the target. It can possibly reach here, but the main point is that it reached the target 1 here, which we were expecting ultimately, right? See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching. Find and follow us on these social media channels.